I'm the mayor, and my door is always open for ya!
My name is Tom Peters, and I'm full of ideas.
Community spirit.
How are you?
Shopping. Food.
Free to be, being free.
Oh, you're all wet, aren't you? Oh, my babies. Sweet chippies. Oh, I'm gonna have to sit you out in the sun. Oh, I'm getting you all wet, aren't I?
Yeah, ring-a-ding-ding. I'm Tom Peters.
Hello, Tom.
I just wanted to drop by and talk to you about my petition.
Okay, great.
Yeah, I'm volunteering for a little group called Animal Action Now, and what we're trying to do is save the old bird sanctuary that's next to the bronzing plant.
No.
The city council has offered to lease the land for the next 20 years if we can get 5,000 signatures. And
No.
And as a courtesy, I thought I'd leave the last signature for you.
Wow, Tom. I wish I could help you here, but I just don't want to.
Ah,
Let me turn you on to something.
Welcome back to the beautiful world of porcelain birds. I'm Diane. Look at this, the amazing detail that goes into each and every one of these birds. This one
Oh,
is
my
just
Lady Finch.
spectacular. It reminds me of my daughter Misty. She's staying with her father right now, and she prefers it. And wow, what an investment. This deal will only last tonight, so pick up the phone, won't you, and reserve your... I'm getting a message from my producers. They're saying there's only 3 left. They are selling fast. Misty, call Mommy if you can.
Phew. God, I love those birds.
I just don't know what that has to do with...
Tom, you see, it's like a triangle. You know how the stock market works, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is what you do. You start by ordering 300 of these porcelain birds.
Right.
Not a big deal. And then you sign up 100 friends, 60 of your closest family members, and enroll them in a porcelain bird starter plan.
Okay.
This way, I get 1 free bird, and you generate enough cash to buy that sanctuary.
I just don't really have that kind of money right now.
Come on, guy. Life is a risk.
Well, I guess I could put it on my Discovery card.
Give it to me. Must be a bad magnetic strip.
Give it a second. No, that's good. That's good. No, it went through. Tom Peters' phone.
Mr. Peter, this is Sandy from the National Porcelain Center confirming your order today for 300 birds.
Okay, is that how many I ordered?
Mr. Peter, I'm confirming that your total for today's purchase order will be
$67,856. $37,000.
was placed on your Discovery card. The remaining balance of
$35,000.
plus an overage charge of
$700.
was charged to cardholder Joy Peter.
No, I'm not authorized to use that card.
Mr. Peter, shut up, Steve. Shut up. Thank you for joining the National Porcelain Center.
So I assume these birds will increase in value then?
Mr. Peter, thank you again for your order.
Crickets.
All right, Mr. Peters, we're all looking forward to seeing that petition.
Right, the petition. We kind of took another approach there. What I did was I bought a bunch of, porcelain birds that will resell for, I'm sorry, what did you say it was?
Triple, Tom.
Triple?
I'm a little confused here.
Gentlemen, we all know the bird sanctuary is in danger. What my business partner and I did was invest in one of the most trusted and stable markets out there, porcelain birds. With the profits we make from this fail-safe investment, Jefferton will be able to purchase the bird sanctuary and own it forever and ever. Amen.
Well, if you want to go that route, my first suggestion would be to get these things professionally appraised.
Of course, and I know just the TV show to do it on.
We now return to the traveling appraisal show, How Much, with Benjamin Kaplan.
Well, what do we have here? Oh, what a marvelous sparrow. Oh, really beautiful. This looks mid-century. Do you know where these originally came from, the provenance?
I just ordered them.
They're new?
Is that good?
Let me ask you something. How much did you pay for these?
Let's see, they were $39.99. Falcons were $49.99.
The Falcons are bigger.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry to have to say this, but you would have to lock these up for at least 100 years before they would increase in value.
Yeah, but the lady on the phone said that...
I'm not done. There would also have to be some sort of crazy Mad Max or Waterworld type situation where porcelain becomes more valuable than gold. Frankly, you'd actually have better luck melting these down and making a few toilets with them. Now, Tom. What was your guess?
$300,000?
Tom, what did you do with my Discovery card? They're telling me the card is maxed out.
No, don't panic. It's just in a holding pattern right now, honey.
Holding pattern? I can't even buy my son his snacks because of you.
I've gotten into an investment opportunity with the mayor, Joy. We're working it out.
I don't ever want you using that card. Effing idiot. Oh.
Ah, shoot. Maybe this isn't the best time, but I'm having some, credit issues right now. And
Just look at this place, Tom. We just gotta figure out another way to save this sanctuary.
Well, we could start the petition up again.
Shh, I'm thinking. Burns.
Hello?
Tom, I think I got it.
So, you want to bronze 300 of these birds?
Well, if you think they'll increase in value.
Yes, we do.
Well, it's your money. But before we do any bronzing, I'm required by law to show you this instructional film. Over here, watch.
So you decided to burn something. Man has burned his most precious monument for millions of years. There are 3 steps to the bronzing process. First, a customer chooses an object to be bronzed. Second, the object is dipped into a molten vat of liquid bronze. Finally, the bronze hardens, forming a mold around the object for years to come.
Fascinating.
Let's see here. 300 birds. Double bronze coating. That's gonna cost you. All right, sir. Here's the damage.
Your card, please.
No. I'm sorry. I'm completely maxed out here.
I guess we could offer him the bird sanctuary.
Bird sanctuary? What am I gonna do with that? Oh, I guess I could use the land.
Actually, I have a problem with that. I just... excuse me.
Go ahead, Tom.
I feel like if we...
God bless you. 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 Yeah, God bless you. Yeah, God bless you.
Tom, are you all right? Because if you have a problem, speak now or forever hold your peace.
I really think that
God bless you. 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 God bless you.
We got a medical emergency at the bronzing plant.
God bless you.
We now return to the traveling appraisal show, How Much?
Well, considering we had him bronzed, I'm gonna have to say $800,000.
Oh, wow, Tom. Jeez. Well, what are you gonna do?
I don't know what I'm gonna do. Look at that, I ruined the bird sanctuary, and the Porcelain Bird Center says I have to send all the birds back because I can't pay off the bill I have with them.
Tom, that's not too bad. We'll just send him back then.
I can't send them back. They're all bronzed.
Shh, buddy. Come on.
They're gonna take my house, Mayor. Joyce says she's gonna sue me if I don't pay off this bill.
Come on, buddy. Let's go see that bronzeman again.
Hey, honey, have you seen my keys? Oh, no! I bronzed them!
Not everything permanent needs to be permanent forever. Unbronzing consists of a one-step process known as unbronzing. First, the bronze coating is removed from the object.
Okay, let's unbronze him. Billy Crickets!
Tom, thanks for meeting me. How you doing?
Pretty good, you know. I'm staying with my friend Gibbons for a while, until things blow over.
Well, I really feel bad about the way things happen, and I wanted to make it up to you.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
No, Tom. Check it out. Found a good use for all those broken porcelain bird pieces.
Oh, look at them.
Come here, little birdies.
Look at them.
Oh, chippies.
Hey, Chip Chip. Wow.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, they're beautiful.
This is all for you, buddy.